In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an advanced search on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for networking and job searching, and mastering its advanced search features can greatly enhance your ability to find the right opportunities. So let's dive in and explore how to make the most of LinkedIn's search capabilities. First, you'll want to navigate to linkedin.com and sign in to your account. Make sure you have all your login details ready for a seamless start. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Jobs tab. This will serve as your gateway to discovering job opportunities tailored to your unique skills and interests. Now that you're in the Jobs section, you can enter specific titles, skills, companies or cities into the search bar. This will help you refine your results right from the beginning, setting the stage for a more personalized job search experience. When you're ready to fine-tune your search even further, click on the All Filters option. It's located toward the top of your screen and opens up a variety of additional search criteria. Here, you can sort your results by either most recent or most relevant, depending on your priorities. Continuing with the available filters, you can select the date the job was posted. This can be particularly useful if you're interested in the most recent openings or opportunities that have been available for some time. Moreover, you can narrow your search by selecting a preferred experience level, ensuring that the results match your professional background. The next step is selecting specific companies you might be interested in, allowing you to target positions within these organizations. Similarly, you can refine results by job type, such as full-time, part-time, contract, or internship. You also have the option to choose remote work preferences if flexibility is a key aspect for you. If you're looking for positions that offer an easy application process or have employer verification, you can enable these options to streamline your search. Further, choose the location to ensure the jobs you're applying for are within your desired geographical area. Next, consider selecting the industry and job function that align with your career goals. This is crucial in filtering out positions that don't match your field of interest. Also, think about the preferred job titles that are most relevant to your skills and career trajectory. There are additional toggles available, such as under 10 applicants, in your network, and fair chance employer. These can be adjusted to fit your preferences and specific search objectives. Lastly, it's time to explore the benefits and commitments associated with the jobs you're considering, as this will help in evaluating the overall offer packages. Once all your criteria have been set, click Show Results to view the opportunities that match your advanced search filters. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to navigate LinkedIn's vast network and discover the most relevant and exciting job opportunities tailored to your profile. Happy job hunting!